Good morning, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Stephen Puglisi, and this is the WestCon weather update for today, Thursday, March 9th, 2017. It's windy out there this morning. That certainly would be the first thing that you noticed as you walked out the door, but the temperatures themselves are not too bad. Unfortunately, with spring break next week, it'll feel a lot more like winter break. A winter weather advisory is up for all of Connecticut this evening and tomorrow. Remarkable chill is on the way. Saturday and Sunday we will be hard-pressed to reach 30 on either day. And we are closely watching Tuesday. I'm sure that you've at least heard of the talk of a snowstorm. I'll talk about that threat as well. Currently, though, in Danbury, no worries about snow. 51 degrees is your temperature, 13-degree dew point, winds west at 13 miles per hour, gusting to 25. Unfortunately, though, there is the winter weather advisory in effect for this evening, and this is going to be because several inches of snow are expected through the overnight hours and into the day tomorrow. Our satellite, there are quite a few clouds up here associated with a cold front. It'll be moving through our region tonight, and then a low will be developing along that front, and that will develop a narrow band of snow that will be our issues for tomorrow. And here is that snow that in a long line that stretches from Montana all the way through the western Great Lakes. That's in association with the cold front. The actual low pressure itself has not yet developed. It will, though, and by tomorrow morning we'll have a low pressure system sitting just off of the coast of Rhode Island and Massachusetts, and that will allow a pretty significant snow band to set up over Connecticut, and it could pile up anywhere between 2 and 5 inches during the night tonight and through the morning hours tomorrow. Our simulated radar, now this is just one depiction of what could happen tonight and tomorrow morning. Here comes the snow. It moves in at about 2 in the morning, and then it snows moderately at times through the morning, and then it departs by about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Now for Tuesday, which I'm sure that you've at least heard of, there is the threat of a significant snowstorm. We will have a low-pressure system developing off of the East Coast. Exactly where it tracks is the key. If it tracks here, we're looking at a pretty substantial snow event for all of southern New England. But if it were to track just a little east of here, then we'd be looking at very little, if any, snow and just cold weather. Both are equally likely at the moment, so you'll have to watch closely over the upcoming weekend. For today, though, in Danbury, we have a 50-degree temperature with increasing cloudiness through the day and breezy with winds 15 to 20 out of the west and gusting as high as 40. For tonight, we do go down to 28 degrees with that snow developing later on in the evening with those 2 to 5 inches of snow possible. For our extended forecast, Saturday, very cold and windy. Sunday, mostly sunny, but still chilly. 26 and 27, boy, that's cold for March. And then a low overnight on Saturday night into Sunday morning of only 7 degrees. Yikes. Monday, 35. That's not much warmer and still significantly below average. And then we are closely monitoring Tuesday for that snow. Thanks so much for watching. I'm student meteorologist Stephen Puglisi. Have a terrific spring break.